Yes, welcome back everyone. We're there again. Today the same treatment. We're gonna kick things off today with some tricep workout. Later on, some back workout. It's a rainy day. It's been raining all day. But either way, we're out here to play. But the serious way. Let's get it. Hit that thumbs up button as soon as you join. Hit that thumbs up button. Yo, Ben, what's good? What's good? What's up? Yo, Ricardo, what's good? What's up? What's popping, man? Octavian, what's good? Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Let's kick things off here on a different level. You already know. Find us at home, all right? So, kicking things off with some tricep workout, guys. Let's get this money. Ooh, yeah. Triceps, so we're doing wide grip. Up. Woo. That's how we get it. That's how we get it. Let's go. Two more sets. Smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, guys. One more set. You never know. Push-ups. Push-ups with tension. With a lot of tension. For sure. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Wait. Nah, I'm not gonna put it on. I'm just gonna work with it. Got the rain dropping right now. Rain can fall. Can pour like crazy any moment. Oh, yeah. Let's get this. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel, alright? Let's go. That's how we're gonna kick things off, I guess. So guys, how we doing today? Hit that thumbs up button. Drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. What's popping, what's good? So currently doing some skull crushers. We're gonna move on to the next weight here. Gonna hit about 3 sets with this one. Oh, oh, ah, ooh, yeah. Don't want me to get this money, I'm getting it anyway. I'm putting in the work. Yeah. Antonio, what's popping? Because the weather has been raining. It's been raining like crazy for a while. But it's kind of turning into a notch right now, but anything is possible. It can change anytime. Oh, yeah. Hey, yo, Gonzalo, what's good, man? Smash, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe, all right? Let's go. we're first time watching the channel, welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. That thumbs up. So show your appreciation, our support, our respect, our motivation. Oh, ah. Ooh. Yeah. Let's try to push even harder next set. Whoa. So the final set remain with this one. If we can push much harder, that would be awesome. No joke. Hey guys, what's poppin'? What's up? What's up? What's up? What we doing? No, it's been a while, but we're still here. In Jamaica, we say, yo, we're still there. We're there. We're there. In Jamaica, and we say we're there. Smash that thumbs up button. All right, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Hey, yo, it's a Feld. Bill, what's good? We need to push harder. This set. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe, all right? Working out all here in the rain. It's no excuse. Always a pleasure sharing the journey. I don't think anyone is gonna watch my stream and don't get motivated. All right, anyone watching my screen definitely not gonna find any more excuse, right? Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. That extra push, man. It's what we needed. It's what we needed. Now it's time to add some more weights. Let's step up the game. Let's get it. We needed that, chat. I'm telling you. We needed that. Smash the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Woo! Training the tricep at home. There's no excuse, man. From USA, you know what, Scott, what's good? Switzerland. Andreas, okay? Awesome, man. People, that's so awesome, man. You already know, guys. Hard work, man. Have to show up daily. It's all about showing up, you know? Gotta keep showing up, guys. And then when we get that extra gain, make it motivate us, you know? Keep pushing. There's no way you're watching right now and haven't hit that thumbs up yet. You haven't subscribed yet? Come on, man. Subscribe, man. Daily motivation, man. Whether it's raining or shine, you have to show up. We have to keep showing up each and every day. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right. Strap this side. Good to go. Now this side. So it's been raining for a few days now, so these weights weigh even extra. They're even more heavier than normal. So it should be interesting, right? Because you know it's concrete, so the water soaking them, so they're much heavier. Let's get this money, man. Hit that thumbs up, guys. Let's keep working. We're all here today in the rain. Can't find any excuse. I gotta work, man. I gotta work. Oh. All right, chat. Give me a sec here. Let me get this. Take that. Whoa. I'll take that. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. All right? Hit that thumbs up. You already know the pain. You know the story. You know about showing up each and every day, right? So you already know. I don't have to tell you. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe. How much can you lift? I don't know, man. I work out at home, man, with my own setup. I don't even weigh my weights, but I know that we're doing over 100 plus pounds right now, obviously. You know, but I don't really know yet, man. Hopefully in the future, when we like start working at a real gym, then we can measure our weights. Weigh my stuff, you know? And let's get it. First set was awesome, guys. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. You already know, it's just all about showing up. Right? Nothing's changed, just a different day. Drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. Brand new, subscribe. Hit that thumbs up, guys. Appreciate you all being here. Subscribe to the channel. No. Oh. Okay. Oh. All right, maybe not. Oh, guys, let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. The Supreme, what's good? W. Yeah. You have to aim for that W at all time. You already know. Hit that thumbs up, man. Subscribe, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Two more sets we got, guys. Two more sets with this one and we're looking good. Bro. It's not supposed to be easy, right? Ah, God. Go heavy today. Let's stay heavy. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe, all right? Let's get it. Baby 8 me, what's good? What's good, man? What's good? What's good? Just got to the gym. Awesome, awesome. All right, man. Let's get it. Let's get the money together, right? Let's get the money. Up. Oh, guys, let's see if we can push at least a bit extra here for this set. Up. Woo. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Now I'm doing one more set. This feels too good, man. Whoo! Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe. Sucker boy is subbed. Appreciate it. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. Is that Bo Bob? Hey Bob, what's up? What's up? From Netherlands. Awesome. Good stuff. Argentina, Fade. Is that Fede? Is that Fede or Fede? Kappa. Welcome, welcome. Keep up grind, bro. Just getting a new sub. Unknown boy. Appreciate it, man. Thank you for the sub. Baby 8 my dick. Baby 8. I'm not gonna say the rest. Baby 8. Me, what's up? Appreciate it, man. The sub. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. All right, guys. Normally we do 4 sets with this one, but today we're gonna do 5. All right. Just gonna work with the flow. That's how you do it. Whenever you get a feeling, just work with it. So if you're feeling today to do an extra set, just get it. If you're feeling to do even 2 extra sets, do it. Because who's reaping the benefit? No one but you, right? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Whoop. Oh my. Whoa. Let's get this money, man. Yeah. Appreciate y'all. Yo, Anthony from South Africa. That's awesome, man. Appreciate you. Thank you. Appreciate y'all, man. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe, man. Let's go. Make sure when we're training, we don't play with that water, all right? Make sure we consuming enough water. Cause we need the water, right? Yeah, bro. Water is life for a reason. Let's get this money, guys. Let's get this money, man. That's what I want to hear. Motivating. That's how we that should be our anthem. To motivate each other, right? Push each other every day. Appreciate y'all, man. Let's get it. Smash that thumbs up button. That's the least you can do, right? And subscribe to the channel. All right, everyone, I dare you to hit that thumbs up right now. I dare everyone to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe. This is the best finishing touch for tricep, guys. Trust me. First set, we're targeting over 20 reps for the first set. So it should be pretty interesting. Up. Let's keep going. Early days. That's 12. Get this cash, man, in the rain. I want to put on my shirt, but I know most of you guys, I don't know, most of you guys rather to see the muscles. So, even when it's raining, we're going to have to stay shirtless. You tried out today? Trust me, bro. Trust me, you'll never regret it. Never regret it, man. This is a beautiful routine for triceps, so I hope we all taking notes. You guys have been watching my stream. I hope you've been taking notes, all right? Make it as intense. Make sure it's super intense. Should feel this As long as you're feeling the tension here, you know, hey, I'm really doing something. All right, so that's 20 for the first set. This arm, other side. Remember, the lower we go, is the more intense. So we're starting from this height for the first set, right? Then by the final set, we should be about right here. Whoo! Yeah. Oh. Focus when you're training, all right? No distractions. Focus. Gotta stay focused here. Behind the camera is a new Tesla truck and a full gym. Hell yeah, bro. You see that Tesla truck right there with the wheels? Oh, this guy is hilarious, man. You guys are something else. Yo, smash that thumbs up button, man. Drop a subscription. Whoo, 11. Five more. Finish up the first set, all right? The top steer, cool. I don't know if I got that right, but what's up, man? What's up? What's popping? Yo, Ronald, what's good? Monster triceps. Try this routine. If you can't take the pain, this is not for you. Because without the pain, there's no gain, right? Remember that. So have to apply the pressure to get that pain so we can get that gain. All right, so on to the second set. Whoa. 7 more, 8 more on that side, I'll take it. I'll take it. Yep. Up. Up. Ooh. Yeah. 4 more, 5 more. Up. Up. 3 more. It's not supposed to be easy, man. We have to push to the limit. Want to get big arms? Make sure we're doing over 5 set, 4 set, 3 set. We have to push. I have to push for it, man. I have to work for it. Is that Nelm So? What's good? Ooh. All right. 13. Swear. Training your triceps, any muscle. We have to go that distance, man. Ah. Want to look crazy? You have to train like crazy. It's no joke. Let's get it. Feeling weird in the rain, guys, so I'm gonna put down my shirt, bro. This is better than nothing. Let's keep training. All right. Final set, all right? Let's get it. Yo, Irwin, what's good? Yo, Nav, what's good? What's popping, guys? Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, all right? Final set on this side. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Yo, Minnie, what's popping? What's popping, man? Hell yeah, man. Each and every day, man. Appreciate you. Ooh. Nothing feels so good than working out, man. It's a good feeling. Building your body, the mind, the soul, the spirit. Nothing feels so. It's a good feeling, man. Always a good feeling, guys. Always. Got anyone here watching from Germany? Anyone here watching from Canada, UK? Australia, awesome, beautiful. Germany, yeah, man, yeah. What we talking about? All right, guys, we're going for a number here. Give me a number between 20, 25, and 19. How much rep for the first set? Give me a number between 25 and 19. Should I hit for the first set? Between 25 and 19. For the first set. Give me a number, guys. Come on. Good build. Appreciate that, man. He said 90. Come on, bro. I said 25 and 19, man. I have no problem doing 90 reps, no total. You guys, and you said 75. Wow, man. Been working out for a while now, bro. You want me to hit 75? Just give me a straight number I can hit. 25, I'll work with 25. I'm not talking in total, bro. I'm talking like in just one set. He said 188, 75, 90, 40. You guys are the best, man. I like that push. I said 90, not 90. Can do one more. Come on. Oh. Ah. Woo. No. We're gonna do slow motion now. No more speed. Oh, man, that was 26. All right, so pull-ups from now on, we're doing them slow motion. We're doing them with more tension and more pressure. All right. Just keep burning. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe right now. Doggo War, what's up? G, what's poppin', man? I see you. Whoa! Oh yeah. Where you from Jamaica, man? Doggo War, thank you so much, bro. Appreciate that, man. Get them gains. W. All right, everyone that drop a comment in the chat, drop a W for me, please. Everyone drop a W right now, no matter where you're from. So Doggo War, the one and only. No matter where you're from, guys, drop a W in the chat right now. Appreciate you all, man. I'm doing one more set before I had more weight, all right? Come on, guys, drop a W in the chat. Come on. Let me see that W in the chat right now. Mexico, yeah. Whoo. Yeah, drop that W. I see that. Thank you. Appreciate that. Work very hard. I try, man. Each and every day I try. Try to give it a lot, you know. So we're getting a little range drop. Getting some range drop right now. We've been getting some range drops for a while. It's to show our blessing, you know. It's always a good vibe. You're watching right now, hit that thumbs up, all right? I challenge you, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're brand new. If you're already subscribed, thank you, all right? Hit that thumbs up. Ooh. Yeah, it's been raining for a while, you know. It's been raining for a few days on and off. Yeah, so you can come down and order at any time, at any moment. Yeah. If I hit 5 sets with this, I'm good. I work with that. That's something I can celebrate. That's the first set. I mean 5 reps. If I hit 5 reps, I'm good. I said 5 sets. Doing 3 set max. Whoa, let's get it. Oh, I'll take that. Yeah. Always a good crazy. Always a crazy vibe. Caroline, what's up? What's popping? Going hard, you already know, man. We have to try to push hard and hard every day, right? Yeah. That's what you're gonna see. You wanna look crazy, you have to work crazy. Remember that. It's not just a one-day thing. It's a every time thing. Every time you show up, you have to deliver. Let's get it, guys. Let's get this money. Almost set is that? Is that the second set? I just got mixed up right there. Let's keep going. We still might get thunderstorm. I don't think this time of the year, I don't think we're gonna get any thunderstorm. Maybe just rain. Just the rain, you know? Your dog of war it's snowing where you at, right? Caroline, how is it? Is it snowing in New York? Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh, it's raining. Very windy. Okay. Makes sense, man. I guess I'm looking chill. The weather is changing. We're getting some chill weather. Crazy precipitation in the air. Yeah. Very good. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, raining non-stop. New York, really? Damn. Woo! Oh, you guys are coming to Jamaica, huh? Yeah, for real. Coming here to escape the snow, the cold weather. Appreciate it, guys. Let's go. Get the rum out and get lifting. Nah, I wouldn't recommend. I wouldn't recommend the rum when you're gonna work out. If you can drink less rum, it's better for you, bro. You can drink the rum, but not too much. Yeah, the rum is not a good thing, especially Jamaican rum. So strong. New York, New York weather is like a light switch. Yeah, really. Yeah. J. Is that J Iwang? J Iwang song? Welcome. Try to. You welcome, man. You welcome. All right, so is that a giver? Is that a giver? I don't know. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Oh yes. Okay. Awesome. Nice. Welcome to the stream, y'all. Yeah. Smash that thumbs up button if you're brand new. All right. Remember to subscribe as well. Where you from? I'm from Jamaica. Yo, Godfather, what's good? You do for a living? What's your ultimate goal? My ultimate goal is to, I guess, just to keep elevating, bro. Building my my YouTube platform. Just keep elevating. Hey, yo, Julio. Respect, man. Respect. Yo, what's good, man? What you doing today, man? What's up, Julio? What's popping, man? Appreciate it, man. Drop a W, guys, for Julio. Julio is the G. Hello, nice to meet you. Yeah. Yeah, man. All right, let's get it. Telling you guys right now, the water droplets is actually a bit chilly. I'm not gonna say it's cold, but it's a bit chilly, you know. Hope you're doing good. I'm not doing too bad, man. I appreciate that, man. Thank you once more. All right, respect, man. Greatly appreciate it. You said I'm building a house for Caroline. Ah, is that Markin or Marcin? Yo, Sergio. Yo, what's good? What's good? How much do you curl? I curl. I start off from like 60 pounds, go straight up to over 100, over 100 something. I don't really know them, but I just know it's they're exact, like the feeling. Because I used to work out at the gym back when I used to do security work, you know. So I know the feeling of the weight, but I don't really know the exact pound. But I know it's heavy, and I always try to add more weight. The crazy, wait. So this, I have to say like on each stream I have to let people know the weight. This is more than 90 pounds. This iron here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, as you can see, I strap it to my body and then I'm gonna do some pull-ups with this. And we've been working out now for over almost 2 hours now. So it's all good. Ooh. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yeah. Let's keep going. Hit that thumbs up. 2 more. Is that 2 more for 40? Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. Whoa. Whoa, yeah. All right, let's get it. 10 more for 50. Smash that thumbs up. And anyone in the chat using an iPhone, rocking an iPhone 15? Let me know. Drop a comment. Let me know if you're rocking an iPhone 15 or an iPhone 14. This is what we call the money iron. This is more than 90. This is almost 100 pounds right here in my hands. Yeah. I'm in Jamaica, man. iPhone. This guy is capping a lot. This guy is capping too much, man. 10 out of 10. Rail. Be careful. Let's see what's going on. Esposito, what's good? Bro, do you wrestle? Wrestle? I wish, bro, to be honest. I would love to. Hopefully one day. If I'm correct. Hey guys, let me know. Is there an iPhone 16 yet? I don't think so, right? Is there an iPhone 16? I think of 15. Ten more likes. If I get 10 more likes, and you guys drop a sub, 10 more likes, and I'll take off the shirt. All right, 10 more likes, and I take off the shirt, even though it's raining. 10 more likes. So smash that thumbs up button. Oh, there's the iPhone 16. Okay, appreciate y'all, man. Oh, there is. Oh, that's awesome. 10 more likes, and we're gonna take off the shirt. All right, let's keep working here. Whoo. Yo. One more set, guys. Come on. Let's get this money. Ooh. Esposito, every time you see me I look more muscular. Well, that's a good sign right there then. That right there is motivation, right? That's how it is. We have to keep elevating, you know, despite the challenges. But when you come to my discipline, there's no challenges there. You know, discipline is fully here. Take a while to develop, but as soon as you develop on that discipline, you're good, man. Trust me. Appreciate y'all, man. You guys are the best. Let's get it. Oh, water. Let me get some water real quick. All right, let's go hit the final set pull-ups. Whoo. Yeah. Whoo. One more. One more. So. Whoo. You. Oh yeah. Appreciate you all, man. So that's it for today, all right? Love you all. Remember, hit that thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're brand new. Subscribe already, appreciate it. Get y'all another stream, all right? Stay focused. Keep putting in the work. Peace out.